There you go. All right, sit up for me, Markeisha. Sit up for me here. Go ahead and sit up in your chair. Here, Markeisha, eyes open. Markeisha, eyes open. Go ahead and sit up for me, Markeisha. Stand up for me. Can you stand right here for me for just a second? she's gonna have a great day. Markeisha, stand right here for me. Stand right here for me. You're doing awesome. Here, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Open your eyes up. Open your eyes up, Markeisha. There you go. Come right up here for me. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, you don't. Stand right there. Remember, you will not fall over. Big breath in. Hold it. Markeisha, have a seat. Sit right there in your chair. Markeisha, let me see your arm. Let me see your arm. No, you're okay. It's okay. I'm going to shake your hand. Just let your arm go loose. Just let it go loose. No. Don't fight it. Just let it go loose. Let it go loose. Shh. Big breath in. Big breath out. She's certainly animated, isn't she?